And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Matt Holliner.
6:15 this morning. Thanks for waking up with us, and we're waking up to a dry start, which cannot be said up in the mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. It is pouring because of Tropical Storm Faye. We talked about how there was a very high chance that this was going to become a tropical depression or tropical storm. Sure enough, it did. And the rain is just coming down, dumping on Delaware right now. And that kind of a band of rain, that can cause flooding. That's something we'll be watching throughout the day and into tomorrow as well. Currently, Faye has sustained winds of 50 miles per hour, but gusts right around the eye. Again, not in the eye itself where the winds are actually quite light, but right around the eye, gusts around 65 miles per hour. So the wind's picking up for the Delaware coast, and we'll be picking up for the New Jersey coast as well. And probably the most significant thing about the storm is look where it's going to go. The models say right over New York City, which doesn't happen very often. It has happened before, and usually when New York sees one of these storms, it tends to be a tropical storm or a very weak hurricane. We hope that we never have the day where a major hurricane makes landfall in New York City, because that would be a catastrophic situation. This is not going to be catastrophic. 40 mile per hour sustained winds. Now, that probably will do some power outages, maybe some very minor wind damage, but it's going to be the rain that's going to be the big story. Flash flooding a possibility for New York City and really all of the Northeast as the storm continues to push on. Notice the timing here. This is Saturday, 1 o'clock in the afternoon, finally pushing on to Canada, but still dumping rain again in Maine as well. So it's really not going to be till Saturday night that places are going to dry out. So a couple of wet days ahead for the Northeast. Meanwhile, we're not going to see a drop of rain from that system. In fact, I don't think we're going to see any rain for at least the next week in the valley. Maybe next weekend, a few showers will pop up. Next weekend, certainly not going to be this weekend. 99 today. And look at the heat index, 109. The humidity even worse than yesterday, and it was bad yesterday. Breezy today, but not quite as breezy. Gusts around 20 miles per hour today. Again, a 10-degree difference, though, and what the thermometer is going to be saying and what it's actually going to feel like. And I got to tell you, when the feels like temperatures get around 110, this is significant. We almost had a heat advisory today. The rule is, though, the average heat index has to be above 110 for there to be a heat advisory. But that's just a couple degree difference. So I still want you to take all those heat safety tips. Do it today and through the weekend, because it's not going to get any better for the weekend. If anything, it'll go up a little bit more, and we may still have some heat advisories issued Saturday, especially on Sunday. So do take it easy today. You know, spend more time indoors than outdoors. Drink plenty of water if you do have to work outdoors. I know some folks have to, but do stay hydrated. And if you have to work outdoors, make sure you take some breaks inside, at least in the shade. And in general, just try and limit the afternoon activity again, or spend it in a pool. And don't forget about the pets either. Make sure they have plenty of water to drink. Make sure they have a shady spot, a place to get out of the direct sun, because they can be impacted by this heat as well. And look at it. It's going to be with us all weekend long, if not getting a little bit worse. 77 tonight, clear to mostly clear skies, sunny to mostly sunny for Saturday, 101. I think the heat index about the same as today, around 109. 77 for Saturday night and completely clear skies. I don't think there'll be a cloud in the sky on Sunday. And look at that. 104, breaking record highs, it looks like, in the valley. And the heat index on Sunday, 111. Certainly no chance of rain this weekend, and no chance of rain at any point on your First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast. Just sunny skies and just a very light breeze Saturday, Sunday, Monday, getting breezy again Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and cooling down a little bit, but highs still around 98 on Wednesday and Thursday. More news in just a bit.